This is a follow-up on my video I made about heating a refrigerator outside to keep it from freezing vegetables. And I used 21 watt plant heating mats, so there's not a lot of power. It's getting colder out now. And I bought these. These are 180 watt. 175 I tested, so these get a lot hotter. They're AC, they run on AC, and they advertise them for heating, like you stick them on your oil pan on your car, and then it'll heat the oil. It's got a little built-in thermostat here. You can hear it click on and off, and it keeps it, I think it's at 190 degrees. So that's pretty warm. What I did was I had this, this was a case off of a car stereo amplifier that I salvaged somewhere, and I just kept this nice piece of aluminum, figuring I'd want to use it someday. So I did. I cut it in half today, and these fit in there just nice. I used the adhesive stuck on there, and they'll fit right in the refrigerator, and they're gonna, I could put them this way, you know, I could put them this way to keep that heat above the bottom of the refrigerator, or probably this way. Probably it won't get that hot, but I'll probably try them this way, as long as that adhesive sticks, but it seems pretty tight. And the literature that came with it said, you know, plug them in, they're gonna smell a little bit when you first plug them in, and they did. I don't know if it's the adhesive burning off or just some of the manufacturing. This is like silicone here, but it did smoke a little bit, so that's why I did them outside. And you know, they don't smell too bad now, but I would do that, burn them off outside first. So yeah, these pieces of aluminum, they're pretty thick, and it worked out perfect. So I'll put them in, and that'll give me more heat potential if it gets real cold. And they were about, I don't know, I think they were like $220 or $15, I don't remember. So I'll have to look it up. So they're not too expensive. Yeah, here's the note that came with those pads. It says it'll keep it at about 194 degrees. So, and this is the listing where I got these. There's other ones. There's lots of different names and things, but I think I had like 15, or I think I got $5 off that price, some coupon that was on. So anyway, they're not too expensive. You saw they aren't too big, and they say 150 watt, but I measured 170 some watts on it. So keep that in mind. So this is a temperature controller I'm using, and it says it's 500 watt maximum. I think I read somewhere before it's 250 watts each side. This has two sides on it. So since I measured 170 watts, I should be well within the rating of this. So I'm going to use it. It works really well. So I'm removing the heat mat, 21 watt heat mat, and I'll replace it with this one here. It won't have to run so long, but if it gets super cold, it will. I'll put it in like this. See, I'll just put it in like this. Gives more room and keeps it up off the plastic here.